channel. In today's vlog I am taking to Arbi waterfalls. This waterfalls is at Vamanjoor within Mangalore city itself. If you visit any time Pilikula, definitely you come here once and you will enjoy this place. And this place is surrounded with beautiful nature, trees and all. Hope you will enjoy this place, and it is very greenery also, and you can play in this water also. And really one thing good about this waterfall is that you need not to walk so much. You have to walk 5 minutes, you can go there, and or else in some waterfalls and all you have to walk so much and you are not even allowed to go to the water. But here no one is there, like nobody is there to stop you from playing in water. Definitely you will enjoy here. Do come to this.
So we have reached Arbi waterfalls. As you can see over there is very little water because there is no rain. If you come in monsoon, the water level will be even more. The stones and all will be not visible. It will be full of water. Actually it's very beautiful place. What I say is it's must visit. You can go down from here. You have to go down from here and you can play in that water also. It's a very beautiful place. Even you visit this place and tell how it is in comment.
Actually, I'm loving this place. What I said is, even you must visit this place. This is very beautiful. You can see. See, the water is coming from very top. See over there, from rocks it is coming down, and it's going like this by a small river. So I don't know where it goes, but it goes somewhere. We are climbing back and it is very steep and we are so tired now. So we are going back and the nature is very beautiful over here. You can see so greenery and that blue sky, so nice to see. You will feel very relaxed if you come here. It's a place surrounded with beautiful nature, see, and there is no so much of crowd also. You can enjoy yourself alone. It's a nice place, see, it's full of greenery, nice place like scenery. Definitely you will enjoy here. Do visit this place. Come from this way and you have to go that way. If you come in car, better you park here itself because there is no parking space. And if you come in two-wheeler, you can go down over there. It's only 5 minutes, no, like just 200 meters. Today's vlog, please like it and share with family, friends and everyone. And if you are new to my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any of my latest update and follow me on Instagram.